you know. Like,
This is like one khazana. And which is your most expensive purchase?
I think these Jimmy Choo which I got, which is probably my first, that they are gorgeous but they are very difficult to wear and they pinch me. So I mean I really wasted money. Don't tell my husband. It's just a very well made film.
Yes.
I think the Dhurandhar and this is Aditya Dhar.
You had a
Bhabhi
different...
Ji Ghar Pe Hain, that show had about 500 sarees and another 500 different clothes. और मैं आपको एक और secret बताना चाहती
Yes.
हूँ. I got to know that I have to work with Akshay. Akshay Khanna is next to me because he can just steal the scenes away from you like this. Hello, Jaspreet.
Hello, Soumya.
Welcome home. Come.
Thank you so much. Oh my god, this is gorgeous.
Come.
I want to tell you, this is one of the most beautiful houses I've come to. You have some beautiful corners around the house. And you tell me, how old is the house and how old is the decor?
So I shifted in this home in 2019 in September.
Okay.
गणेश चतुर्थी के दिन मैं आई थी और बहुत अच्छा हुआ मैं यहाँ आई क्योंकि उसके बाद ही कोविड हो गया था. So it was quite, you know, like, I mean, oh my God, it was such a respite because we got the terrace in the building, which is like a huge terrace combining 3 buildings. It almost looks like some kind of a resort. So even when people were like closeted in the homes, we used to get the terrace access, so which was a bliss.
Wow, wonderful. And talking on the work front, I want to tell you that last night I watched Dhurandhar. Congratulations for the wonderful project. You were looking so lovely.
Was I? Oh my God, I was so distraught in that film. But I think it's just a very well made film.
Yes.
And I think the Dhurandhar in this is Aditya Dhar.
He is. My God.
Yeah.
One of the most iconic films in the making for sure. And you know this show is called HF Raids. So I'm here to look at your closet. A little birdie tells me it's a beautiful one.
Oh my God, you're going to raid my closet.
Yes.
Okay.
So chale?
Just don't blame me for a little mess here and there.
Not
Come.
at all. Chalo.
Come to my secret closet.
Wow.
Okay, so before I take you to my walk-in,
Yes.
because the shoes have come first, so you know, like this is
like one khazana.
हाँ तो ये खजाना तो मतलब I just realized that when I get ready and which is most of the time I'm in a rush.
Yeah.
And it is so difficult to match the right things with the right things. So I thought this has to be laid out in such a way that I can quickly figure out which is matching. And this had to be done. This was like my plan when I bought this house.
Which is your favorite pick from here and which is your most expensive purchase from here?
I think this
Yeah.
was my Jimmy Choo which I got, which was probably my first. But you know, it has really lasted me for so long, and because it's gold and silver, I can do it with both.
Both.
This has really been around for a very long time. Even this again has been around for a very long time, Jimmy Choo. This is what my husband bought me, and Miu Miu, this was also again I bought it in Paris, and I have to tell you that they are gorgeous, but they are very difficult to wear and they pinch me. So I mean I really wasted money on this.
So this is like a regret purchase, right?
Don't tell my husband. He bought it for me, and I kept on telling him that please don't buy it for me, and he said no, you buy it, and then he keeps on telling me you never wear it. But ask my knees, I'm not comfortable in them. Another very favorite sneaker is this one I love.
Oh, they're so cute.
They just go on so many colors, and they are so, you know, happy. You
Yeah.
know, happy sneakers.
This is actually like dopamine dressing. Whenever you're feeling upset and sad, you can wear these.
And my husband keeps on telling me that you are you're always in denial, but you have an obsession with pink.
Pink, like every girl.
Bubblegum pink.
Yes, yes.
That one color which is very difficult to find.
Yeah.
So I found these sneakers and I was very happy.
Very cute. Oh, wow.
I just love my jutis. I'm a juti girl. I love jutis. I feel they're the most beautiful piece of, like accessory or, like shoes that you can wear on Indian. I'm so fond of them. Wherever I go, I buy it from a brand,
Hmm.
which is a homegrown brand, and I buy it locally when I go to Amritsar.
So you have those shops near the Golden Temple, right, where they sell a lot. Oh my God, this
See?
speaks to me
This
in
is
a
from
manner.
Amritsar near Golden Temple, my dear friend.
See, we have it here already.
और किसने कहा कि हमें चीज़ों को वेस्ट करना है? This particular juti is 12 years old, my dear friend. When I started shooting for Bhabhi Ji,
Oh wow.
and I bought it myself because I used to do clothes of Bhabhi Ji on my own. If you don't know, I
All
was
the
styling
sarees.
myself. Everything I have bought, made, styled myself. So I bought these jutis and they still have lasted me. So I believe in wearing, re-wearing, not wasting.
Upcycling, restyling, everything.
Absolutely.
और इसी नोट पे अब हम आपकी क्लोजेट में जाना चाहेंगे.
Please
Let's go.
Okay, so here is my walk-in. और मैं आपको एक और सीक्रेट बताना चाहती
Yes.
हूँ कि मेरे कपड़े सिर्फ यहाँ नहीं हैं, हर रूम में मैंने एक एक अलमारी का छोटा सा हिस्सा कब्जे में रखा हुआ है. वो इसीलिए in my
I'm feeling bad for your husband already.
no husband and the guest room
Yeah.
and the kids room, everyone. But the
Hmm.
reason is because I have actually, like made clothes for myself. I have
Yeah.
to go to events and shoots. So it's because of that. I'm not like wasting or being a very bad shopaholic.
She's not being a brat, guys. Okay, please note.
there are actually मैंने length के हिसाब से किए हुए, but there are these casual long cotton dresses.
Hmm.
Then there are these fancy dresses which are like party wear. These are normal my casual t-shirts.
And talking about the cotton dresses, what is the vibe that you are in right now? What is the style mood right now?
A lot of homegrown brands.
Hmm.
A lot of linens and cottons and hemp cottons is my everyday go-to wear. But sometimes when you are shooting and when you are in events,
Yeah.
it's not possible to wear those kind of clothes,
Yeah.
unfortunately or fortunately. So then I have to, like go into the other more, different fabrics like a
Something
chiffon or-
blingy or chiffon or a
Yeah,
georgette.
Yeah.
So can we pick out some of your favorite pieces from this section?
I love this one. So this is just so delicate. I like feminine and delicate clothes a lot.
Hmm.
This is cotton. I love cottons, and like it just falls very beautifully on me. And I love white.
Okay.
I just feel at calm and at peace when I'm wearing a white or an off-white. I love this. Then this, just a simple net black dress, is 15 years old.
Doesn't look like.
It's got a little belt, and this my sister had actually got me when she had got a scholarship and she went to London.
Okay.
तो अपने स्कॉलरशिप के पैसे बचा बचा के उसने मेरे लिए एक ड्रेस खरीदा और ये सोचा कि एक ड्रेस कौन सा खरीदूं, तो ब्लैक खरीदती हूँ कि ब्लैक इज एवरग्रीन.
Evergreen.
So I just can't imagine how versatile is this, and probably I'm going to die with it.
But do you also have like spots in Bombay or abroad जहाँ पे आप जाके शॉप करते हो? Are you into street shopping?
I'm not into street shopping,
Yeah.
but I love the indigenous brand shopping.
Yeah.
इतना खूबसूरत हमारे इंडिया में टेक्सटाइल्स है.
Yes.
तो मुझे उसमें मजा आता है. This is another homegrown brand, by the way.
I love the color.
Yeah, I like
It's
the
so
colors.
summer.
Yeah, and India is about colors, yeah. Okay, you want to take out this blingy
Yeah.
dress?
Are you into sequins these days? Because अभी तो New Year's भी आ रहा है, so this is like a no-brainer.
Yeah, this would be like a nice Christmas dress.
है ना?
I just like it because I just think that this color looks good on me because I have green eyes.
Yes.
So I just picked this up for that, and it just was for an event. So
Yeah.
I like it. Yeah.
What's inside now? I wanna take a look there.
Okay.
It's
Come.
more exciting.
This is my
Wow.
small clutch section, which has got cute little
The
things
Kate Spade.
which I have picked up over the time. This is again, but
You're a Jimmy Choo fangirl, right? You
You
love
know-
the brand.
honestly,
Yeah.
I'm not so much of a brand person.
Yeah.
It's just that I buy anything and everything whichever I feel works for me.
Yes.
And I'm again saying I'm a lot into homegrown brands these days. For example, I just bought it. See, the label is also not out. This is another homegrown brand by I don't know which designer, but so pretty. See, you can wear it with your sari.
This is so cute. I love the tassels.
I got a branded bag, but I bought it because I genuinely liked it. This was actually recreation of a painting of a very big artist. And because my mother is an artist and I love art, so they put their paintings on it. So I just loved it.
This is actually very cute. I love it.
Yeah. So for me, it's about
Yeah.
I should fall in love with the piece.
Yes. So price tags are not something that you
Not
are
at
into.
all. This is like a lovely fitted sari I got from Tarun for a event.
The color
love
is so
it.
gorgeous, my god. This is like a pre-draped sari, right?
Very pretty he makes. Pre-draped saris he does so well. This is a dress again. Can you imagine? Again, 15 years old.
I think I've seen this somewhere on Google.
Yeah, you must have. I have worn it for an event or something.
Have you
But so
tied?
old.
Have you tied it or something?
No, it has got a little wire. So when you
Oh.
spread the wire, the dress will spread.
It's actually a very cool hack. I didn't know
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
So
Doll
you don't
dress.
have to actually put can inside.
Not necessary. Yeah. This is what I wore in the trailer launch of Dhurandhar.
Yes, I did see you there.
It's a nice, simple, very powder blue, lovely balloon high and low dress. Okay, so these are my sarees. मुझे ना बहुत heavy sarees तो नहीं पसंद है.
हाँ.
मुझे थोड़ी dainty type sarees पसंद. This is like one of my favorite sarees. I bought for myself when I was getting married. Actually, I just love it. It's got like a very summer vibe for
Yeah.
the morning. It's
And the
so
pastels are so pretty.
pretty. And it's a pre-stitched blouse, and I love it. Yeah, it's actually way prettier when you open it. Then I have a lot of silk sarees as well. This I wore when I got an award in Madhya Pradesh for like being an achiever from Madhya Pradesh, because I was born in Madhya Pradesh.
Wow. MP girls here, guys.
The heart of India.
Heart of India.
Yeah, so
A gorgeous raw mango sari. It's the classic color combination that they use. Did you wear something from this for Bhabhi Ji Ghar Par Hai? No, no. You had a
Bhabhi
different.
Ji Ghar Pe Hain, that show had about 500 saris and another 500 different clothes, which I eventually distributed over a period of time. Some pieces I have, 10-15 honge. Everything else I distributed.
Wow. And you told me you actually styled yourself for the show. What was the process like? Because I think every sari was so iconic. For television, costume designing is another risky task because you need for every new episode.
Yeah, I just did not like the way usually they were styling. Usually they used to style the Indian leads.
Yeah.
So they were very too much.
Too
And I
much.
just wanted to have my own unique.
And it's not
way.
practical also. कई बार
Yeah.
हम सोचते हैं तो.
So yeah, I mean, I just told my producer that that will be one of my conditions to come on, that I would like to style myself, and she was gracious enough, Vinay for Kohli, to say that go for it.
I see a lot of bags also there. Wow.
These are all my casual bags. These are my trousers.
Oh, I love the way you've hung them.
Easier to find out.
Yeah. And I see there's a lot. Are you not into caps? Only hats, right? I see a lot of hats here.
I do have a cap, but somehow, like I told you, I'm very girly and feminine now.
Yeah.
With a nice dress and a long dress or a petite short dress.
Picture perfect.
A little hat on the top will look nice.
Great,
on the
great.
streets of Europe when you're walking in the sun.
Wow.
Another thing, Jasween, that I'd like to tell you is that my obsession with white shirts. I love white shirts, different kinds of white shirts. Not all are there, but I will probably. This is like N Fontaine. I love them. See?
Oh, this is so cool.
So pretty.
This is a very unique format of white shirt that I've seen.
Yeah. The N Fontaine shirts are to die for. This is from a homegrown brand. So pretty.
Very cute. I like the flowers. See, there's the crochet flowers. Very cute.
Yeah. This was one shirt I just got made.
Lovely. It's a pretty Georgette.
And with this all
Embroidery.
thread work, happy thread work. I have so many white shirts. Oh my god, it's hard to show all.
What's your go-to way of styling a white shirt? If you can pick one and you can tell us how people can actually style it with a no-brainer recipe.
Depends, I mean, so white shirts, of course, with like a fitted white shirt with a flared denim and a belt for a book launch.
Wow.
And a white shirt with a hot pink short skirt for a party, or like a bling, like skirt,
Yes.
pink skirt and
Yes.
white shirt for a party. A white shirt on a loose white shirts on denims for watching a movie,
Yes.
or just going out with friends for an ice cream, which I don't have. White shirts is very versatile. You could even do like a white shirt on the top of a resort dress when you are a little sunny and you just get into a coffee shop which is a little cold. Just put on your white shirt in your long maxi dress and you're done.
This is so cool. You're actually a stylist too. Lovely.
Not really. Yeah, so this is my lot
Yeah.
of white shirts. Another brand I really like is Little Stories. This is from US, but I just
Okay.
love them. Just look at the little collar.
It's so pretty. It's so delicate.
Yeah. Delicate is me, na? Soumya.
Soumya. Lovely. Do you also have pieces that you wear when you want to feel like powerful, like a boss girl energy? Is there something here?
Like my leather jackets are here.
Oh, that's a very cool biker jacket.
This is a very classic Ralph Lauren summer jacket,
Wow.
which again I got from Milan. But it's so versatile. Again, 12 years old. But you know, I like to keep the pieces for long. I love the jackets also a lot. Like lots and lots of. Tell
I
me,
actually,
my boots are crying. Wear me.
I know, right? I actually am eyeing that bag. It's so cute, this one. The denim.
Yeah, it's lovely. isn't
It's
it?
so cool.
Like I told you, I don't think of the brand that much.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
just
yeah.
think of Marc Jacobs.
But this is how old?
No, I just bought it last year.
Last year. Okay. So do we have something this side in terms of winter wear?
Like now that you speak about winter wear, I love jumpers. I love
Yeah, I
sweaters.
know.
But please tell me, if I'm not traveling, where do I wear
Where do-
jumpers?
AC बहुत बढ़ा दो and just
Nahi hoga.
Okay, we'll come this side.
This sweater.
This is so cute. Bombay यार गर्मी क्यों है आपकी इतनी?
I know. So these are these very beautiful pastel colored jumpers, which I don't know where to wear. But this screams like, let's go for a holiday. Soumya, just after I finish the filming, the project that I'm filming, I'm going to wear all these
Very cute.
happy jumpers.
They're so cute. I love them. Okay, so Soumya, this is a very special segment जिसमें मैं आपको आपकी खुद की pictures दिखाऊंगी and you have to tell me the story behind them. So this is the first one. I just saw this clip yesterday.
Yeah, Ulfat Rahman in Dhurandhar, this character. It is so different. I was actually, the part is very small, but when Aditya told me that this is a part and this is a kind of character that you have not done before,
Yes.
because I've always played very bubbly, chirpy and very flowing characters where I've been very spontaneous and talkative. Here comes a character which is silent and is very intense. And she only has to speak with her eyes, because this is a film where primarily it's men who are doing all
Yeah.
the action. I thought will be interesting because nobody has really ever seen me in a breakdown scene.
Yeah.
Like, nobody knows how I would do a breakdown scene. So I thought maybe it'll be interesting for people to see me in a very non-happy zone. When I got to know that I have to work with Akshay, I was also very nervous, because I thought, who will even look at me if Akshay Khanna is next to me, because he can just steal the scenes away from you like this.
Yeah.
You stand in front of Akshay, you do whatever you want to do with him, and he will steal the scene away
The
from you.
internet has gone crazy, like crazy.
He's such a fab actor.
Yeah.
In fact, I just tweeted yesterday in the morning, somebody said that for me, the coolest scene was when she was lighting his cigarette and she
Yes.
looks at her and then he kisses her and then he goes away. Nothing much. And that was actually my first shot ever on that film.
Oh wow.
So just even before the ice had broken between us, because it was the first shot and I was a little late because they were trying to do some kind of a look test on me. And I just went in a little late. He was already waiting for me. We didn't talk much and we just did that scene. But there was some kind of that exchange which was such a calming
Yes.
exchange of things that, and he just sent me a message which he was praising me, and it means a lot to me.
Lovely, lovely. And if you've not watched Dhurandhar, क्या कर रहे हो यार? जाओ जल्दी. Okay, the second picture. Iconic. Geet and Roop.
Jab We Met is my first project.
Yes.
Unbelievable. I was so young and naive and new. Oh my God, I didn't even know that you needed to have once, like, I didn't even know anything about makeup or hair. I was just out of in this world of entertainment. And I actually met Imtiaz for Rockstar when he
Yes.
was casting for Rockstar. Then he called me up for this when that film didn't happen with UTV, and he said, play Kareena's sister, because I think I need a Kareena kind, who could look like Kareena's
You were like
sister.
a version, another. Y'all are like sisters, clearly.
And I did not have a proper makeup person. I did not like really know anything about makeup, and I just thought कि मैं एक बहुत बड़ी फिल्म में, बहुत अच्छी फिल्म में कहीं छुप कर ये देख लूँगी कि फिल्म मेकिंग कैसे होती है, and how do these actors and things work, and nobody will notice me, and who will watch this film so much. And this became one of the most iconic rom-coms of our Indian
We still watch it.
Bollywood or Indian cinema, so much so
Yes.
I have been very blessed to be a part of all super duper hits.
Yes, she's the lucky charm. Okay, another iconic one.
भाभी जी घर पे हैं.
Look at your hair, my god, what a blow dry. No, really.
That was the time I started doing my own makeup, so I made mistakes, and sometimes I realized the lipsticks were too loud, and then I had to change. So it was a learning process for me. But I think my clothes were iconic,
They were.
and people loved my nightwear, people loved my saris, and I'm so glad that I got the chance to do it. And I'm thankful to the producers to let me just do my own clothes.
Definitely. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Soumya. I hope you enjoyed our little raid.
I really, really had a good time. Avneet, I'm so glad, and you were very good. We had so much fun.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. I can give you some shopping tips next time.
Lovely. I'm gonna note down all the spots and tell you guys later. On that note, this show is called HF Raids, and I cannot leave you and the house without taking something from you, which is going to go to your followers who will win the contest. So, what am I taking today?
Okay, so this is these funky fun pants with like long slits. I have only worn it once guys, so this is absolutely a beautiful fresh piece, and this I wore in a song in Bhabhi Ji Ghar Pe Hain, in which I became Raveena Tandon, Kisi Disco Mein Jaaye. So I think this is fun when you guys want to have fun and remember me and maybe shake a leg and think about me.
Lovely. All the Bhabhi Ji fans, comment down below and tell us if you remember this particular scene from the show. Thank you so much, Soumya. I'm going to take this with myself. And I'm hoping to meet you super soon.
Absolutely. Super soon with a new project, hopefully next year, which we are going to talk about soon.
Definitely. And congratulations on Dhurandhar again.
Thank you.
Lovely work. Thank you so much.
Thank
Till then, bye bol de camera ko.
Bye.